500,000?
Yeah. Annually, we're almost at 500,000 people attending our Pride Fest annually.
When I was in Nashville, that was like population of the Portland metro area. When I was in grade school. 500,000 people was the population. That's insane. Like the whole fucking city in one room. I mean,
are you kidding?
Montana barely has 500,000 people.
Because we were looking up shit last night, yesterday, night before. We're looking up shit on Google about Colorado and this and that kind of different areas I was in. And I showed it in the area of downtown that we blocked off just for our fucking festival. No, for Pride Fest.
Oh, yeah, you told me.
It's like fucking 6 to freaking 6, 7, 8 goddamn waterfronts put together.
Yeah.
Oh my god. But then we can